Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Ford Escape in neutral using the manual override. This is especially useful if your vehicle has a dead battery or won't start. First, locate the small shift lock release cover near your gear shifter. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or your emergency key to carefully pry this cover open. Make sure your ignition is in the accessory mode. Once the cover is off, you'll see a small button or lever inside the slot. Insert your tool, like a pen or screwdriver, and press down firmly on this release mechanism. Keep it pressed down. While holding the release, simultaneously press the brake pedal and move the gear selector from park to neutral. You should feel it shift freely. After shifting, confirm that the N indicator light is illuminated on your dashboard. Remember to keep your foot on the brake until you are ready to move the vehicle. If the parking brake engaged automatically, release it only when it's safe to do so. Finally, replace the shift lock release cover to protect the mechanism from dirt and debris. To take your Ford Escape out of neutral, simply press the brake pedal and shift the gear selector back into park or drive, depending on your next action. Always ensure the vehicle is completely stopped before making any shifts. For more helpful car tips and other great deals, check the description below. And speaking of upgrades, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter home clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.